I don't think a person without privilege can make it on top. They will have to work 10 times as hard as a person.
Bhai, crazy shirt, very good jawline, decent sunglasses, very good hair. 10 on 10 guy, dude.
Who would be more privileged than them.
इसका जो take है वो भी अच्छा है. 10 on 10, dude. That guy is very.
Hey bosses,
He's a wet dream for girls, I'm telling you.
this is Paridhi from Asian Boss. What we don't often hear in the mainstream media is the growing wealth gaps that are Today we just wanted to know how much does average Indian people make per month. So
Nice shirt, man. That's a nice shirt.
if you're comfortable, can we know how much you make per month or per year in INR?
Around 25,000 per month minimum, and that multiplied by 12, whatever it is.
Around 7 to 8 lakh INR per year. Actually, I'm a business developer at a crypto project. Plus, I'm a YouTuber and I'm an overseas counselor.
Per year, I earn around 11 lakhs per annum.
Mine would be around 7.5.
So that's a very personal question, but I would say somewhere around 10 to 12 lakhs per annum. I'm actually working
This guy is definitely lying. This guy is definitely lying. He's definitely lying.
in an overseas industry where we
He is definitely lying. He is not earning 10 to 12. I can see it in his eyes. I can see it in his fucking eyes.
actually help students to study abroad. So we
No, nobody is giving you fucking 11,000, buddy. और ये जो इंडस्ट्रीज होती है ना ओवरसीज इंडस्ट्री, कोई ओवरसीज माइग्रेशन सेंटर होते हैं जो वीज़ा बनाते हैं, आपकी जो ऐड लगाते हैं, और स्कैमर होते हैं आधे से ज़्यादा. बोलते हैं आपको जॉब लगवा देंगे बांग्लादेश में, और आपके क्या जॉब क्या होती है, कचड़ा बिनने वाली. ठीक है, ये नहीं हमारा 11 लाख रुपए. स्कैमर है ये, कॉल सेंटर में काम करता है, दिख के पता चल रहा है मेरे को.
help in their application
You know,
process, we
fucking
help in
way.
their visas.
I don't often...
वीज़ा पे आ गया ना ये, वीज़ा पे आ गया ना. मैंने क्या बोला, वीज़ा पे आएगा ना ये. मैं जानता हूँ भाई ऐसे लोगों को. कोई ओवरसीज इंडस्ट्री नहीं है ये. एजुकेशन एक्सपर्ट बोल के बहन चो स्कैम यूनिवर्सिटीज़ में एडमिशन करवा देते हैं जहाँ पे ना पढ़ाई होती है ना लिखाई होती है. ठीक है, बच्चे रोते हैं, बोलते हैं पापा वापस इंडिया बुला लो, मैं गाय चरा लूँगा, मेरे को नहीं रहना यहाँ पे. ठीक है, मैकडॉनल्ड्स में काम करना पड़ रहा है मेरे को, गांड फंस गई है मेरी. ठीक है, स्कैमर है
make
भाई.
money because I'm a student, but whatever internships I've done till now have earned me around 6-7,000 a month, around that.
ये ऐसी होती ऑनेस्टी. 6-7 हज़ार रुपये इंटर्नशिप का कमा रहा है. आपने बर्गर किंग है, कोको कोला की बॉटल है, उसमें पानी होगा. कोको कोला नहीं होगा, पानी होगा, उसमें लिख के दे रहा हूँ मैं तुमको. ये बैग भी मुझे डेल का लग रहा है, डेल लैपटॉप का.
At range.
I'm a student, so
वाओ, शी इज काइंड ऑफ प्रीटी.
I don't make any money, but
गुड ऑनेस्टी.
my household income is over 20 lakhs per annum. The average monthly salary would be lower. I think my household income would be in like the top 15 or 10% or 20%.
Around about 2.5 lakhs.
Okay, so and what do you do for a living?
I'm a doctor, eye surgeon.
Would you say whatever you make is
दैट्स कॉन्फिडेंस भाई, चेहरे पे दिखता है
considered the
कॉन्फिडेंस.
average monthly salary in India?
No, this is for the elite 5% of the Indians.
And then what amount would you say is considered average?
I think 3 lakhs per year would be an average. Might be even lesser than that.
An average salary is around like 25,000 currently running, because I have been interviewing a lot of candidates in my sector.
So would you say it is enough to get by, or are you still struggling?
Actually, I'm a more investment centric person. So I think it's not enough to buy me a property or buy me a car. For living, I'm making enough.
There are people who are even surviving at 10,000 per month, which results in a package of 1.2 lakhs per annum. So if you are talking about the basic sustaining of the life, like your food and basic very bare minimum necessities, that could be taken care of in 10,000 even. But if you want to go lavish, or you try to explore the world, then there is no limit to it.
How serious do you think the issue of wealth inequality is in India at the moment?
Damn, she's looking fine as fuck, and that earring is very nice.
Quite bad, because a few people are, like hoarding wealth, but most people are struggling to get by, or poor people often get
Welcome to Marxism.
stuck in a vicious cycle of addiction also. So there's a lot of things that affect income inequality, and it's really bad in India.
There is a very large inequality of wealth.
I'm
Like-
telling you, bro, this guy has mad bitches around him, bro. This guy has mad bitches around him, bro. I'm telling you right here, right now.
Even as a student, I do think I have certain privileges that a lot of people cannot afford because my parents are...
भाई इसकी शर्ट, एक तो शर्ट इतनी सुंदर शर्ट है भाई. Such a nice shirt, man.
slightly well off.
That's such a nice shirt.
I can own a
देखो इसमें मुझे कोल्ड ड्रिंक नहीं दिख रही.
good branded smartphone. I can choose to do a lot of things that a lot of people on a daily basis cannot do in India. A lot of people work for wages that are less than 100 rupees per day. And there are people who are forced to do work that they would never otherwise do just to earn that one meal a day. So yes, there is a large wealth inequality in India, and when I heard that India has the third largest number of billionaires, and then when I look at looking around us, then I do see that there is a stark difference between the people who are well off and people who are not.
According
Bro, insane. I'm so impressed with that guy.
to the recent report, the richest
Oh wow, she's pretty too. By these guys, ये लड़का धंजी जैसा नहीं लग रहा? थोड़ा धंजी with a girl. बस पेट कम है इसका. पेट थोड़ा और पॉट पे नहीं होता तो धंजी लगता पापर. अरे कह दिए क्या मैं? कह दिए.
1% of Indians own over 40% of the country's
सोच अगर ये माइक के सामने आके बोलेगा भाई कह दिए क्या मैं? कह दिए क्या? MTV हसल तेरी माँ की चूत MTV वैसे.
wealth.
सोच.
So what's your reaction to that?
I'm stunned. I'm not, but it's just sad. I wish they gave some of their money to me.
No reaction. I don't have anything. So what to say it?
ये भाई ये वो गांजा वाले लोग.
If I become a billionaire in the next morning, I wake up and say I'm a billionaire. Doesn't matter for me. Coming from a middle class family, so what?
It's a byproduct of capitalism. I'm not saying that I support other systems more, but it's a flaw of capitalism that separates the workers from the means of production.
Oh my
So,
god, she has a little bit of brain also. I'm impressed. I mean, we need to find this girl, man.
the wealth naturally gets accumulated in the hands of a few people. It's shocking and it shouldn't happen.
It is their luck. They have been born in those families.
लक्षा चौधरी as explanation. लक्षा चौधरी नहीं कहता कि गरीब है, उनकी गलती है, वो गरीब पैदा हुए हैं. मैं अमीर हूँ, मेरी अच्छी बात, मैंने अच्छे कर्म करे थे पिछले जन्म में कि मैं अमीर पैदा हुआ.
Where they're already rich. So a rich person to take out more money is very easy for them. The richer are getting more richer.
Oh, how do you think it is possible for someone to become that rich, to be in the top 1%? For example, there are a lot of self-made millionaires and billionaires in India, or is it all generational family wealth?
See, I think almost 50% of them are generational. And startup scenario has just begun in India now. It wasn't there initially.
It is definitely not all generational family, but there are people who have struggled and have worked really hard. And sometimes things work out. It takes a lot of hard work and planning just to.
की बातें सुन के लग रहा है इसको घंटा नहीं इंटरेस्ट है वो क्या पूछ रही है, इसको बस निकलना है और हाथ में दारू है, ऐसा लग रहा है मुझे.
So I think that's definitely not all generational wealth.
Most people who are in the self-made billionaire category themselves have come from upper middle class, where they've been given access to the best education, they've had access to the best facilities in a lot of different fields, and because of this thing, there is their hard work and there is their dedication that has also been a role. But even then, there has been a generational backing where they could afford good education, they had a chance to do something.
Would it be possible in India for any young person from a poor background but with a big dream to climb up the social ladder and become super wealthy just based on his or her hard work and dedication?
यार अर्पित बालन ने ना एक अपनी रील पे बात कही थी बहुत रिसेंटली जो मुझे बहुत सही लगती है कि आज के ज़माने में ना आपका रेज्यूमे भी मैटर नहीं करता भाई. इतना ख़राब हो चुका है सिस्टम, आपका रेज्यूमे भी मैटर नहीं करता भाई. एक ही चांस है जहाँ पे आपका रेज्यूमे मैटर कर सकता है, वो है आपका स्टार्टअप. वो भी रेज्यूमे नहीं देखता आजकल, वो सिर्फ आपका काम देखते हैं, आपका पोर्टफोलियो देखते हैं, आपकी वर्क हिस्ट्री देखते हैं. बट अदर देन दैट आज के ज़माने में सिर्फ दो चीज़ें काम करती है. या तो आपके पास इनफ पैसा हो ऑलरेडी कि आपके कनेक्शंस हो, मतलब कि आप कनेक्शंस बना सकते हो, या तो फिर आपके कनेक्शंस हो. जॉब्स कनेक्शन से मिल रही हैं आज के ज़माने में, काम रेज्यूमे से नहीं. क्योंकि आप रेज्यूमे बिल्ड करने के लिए तो आपको काम चाहिए, वर्क एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए. वो कहाँ से मिलेगा? कनेक्शन से. एवरीथिंग हैज़ ईदर बिकम अबाउट मनी और कनेक्शन. या तो तुम पहले से अमीर हो, तुम्हें दिक्कत ना हो, या तो तुम्हें कनेक्शंस हो तुम्हारे पास. दैट्स लिटरली इट. पापा का कोई कॉन्टैक्ट है वो आपको जॉब दे रहा है, चाचा का भाई कोई जॉब दे रहा है, चाचा की फर्म है. इट्स एक्चुअली ट्रू. आज के ज़माने में सिर्फ हार्ड वर्क से भी ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आप सक्सेसफुल बन जाओगे. एंड दैट्स वरीइंग. आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ वेरी गुड वेरी स्किल्ड पीपल जो आज जॉबलेस हैं भाई, कंपेटिटिव एग्जाम्स के लिए मेहनत कर रहे हैं. दैट्स ऑल दे कैन डू नाउ. दे कैन नॉट गो फॉर एनी जॉब. दे आर जस्ट स्टडिंग फॉर कंपेटिटिव एग्जाम्स. दैट्स एक्चुअली सैड. It's fucked up.
Doubt it because again, the initial wealth, initial investment is important. Plus, it's also about luck.
ऐसा नहीं है भाई. I mean, आई कुड बी रॉन्ग, आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग व्हाट आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड, क्योंकि मैंने कभी जॉब नहीं करी है, बट मैंने सुना है, जैसे बड़े बड़े जो मेरे दोस्त हैं जो जॉब्स करते हैं, है ना, आई टॉक टू देम समटाइम्स एंड आई नो कि वो जब जंप करते हैं ना जॉब्स, तो भी कनेक्शंस के थ्रू करते हैं, काम के थ्रू नहीं। जैसे कि मैं अगर किसी को जानता हूँ जो अमेजोन पे काम कर रहा है, SD सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलपमेंट इंजीनियर, उसको अब जब जॉब शिफ्ट करनी कहाँ पे, गूगल पे, तो वो ऐसे ही गूगल पे अप्लाई नहीं करेगा, दे विल मेक कनेक्शंस फर्स्ट, they will fucking scout the company, they will ask their friends, peers, build relationships, and then they will scout. Matlab, it is even for SD in Amazon, it's very hard to get into Google unless they have connections. It's just how I see things. I could be wrong, but that's what I've observed, क्योंकि मैं तो नहीं हूँ ना वहाँ पे, मैं 100% correct insight तो नहीं दे सकता, but I'm just telling you what I've known, what I've observed throughout. ठीक है?
How lucky you are and how opportunities present themselves.
See, if a person is willing to study hard and work hard, he or she can. The thing is, this present generation, they want only shortcuts. They are not willing to put in the hard work. As far as I have my own opinion.
That's me.
You have to put in a lot of work, and then the destiny will take its course, and you will definitely go wherever you want to go. And you have to have a set goals.
So, do you have any personal stories you can share that might highlight the gap between how rich and the poor live? Like, do you get such direct contrast in the lifestyle in your everyday life?
Absolutely. So my house help actually has a daughter who's of my age, and her lifestyle and my lifestyle would be very different. I might be able to talk like this, but she could hardly read. What I do right now and what she does right now is also one of the examples for the same. It's kind of sad that we have to see that on a daily basis, but it is how it is.
See, I have seen people digging for food inside the dustbin. And I have seen people even in the restaurants here and everywhere.
मुझे कहाँ देख लिया अंकल?
Just leaving the food and sort of.
Oh, damn,
I don't like that.
Shit.
You should eat that much food which is sufficient for you. Shouldn't waste the food. In early 70s, when the Green Revolution has not taken place properly, people died due to hunger. So we should think about that. We should not waste food.
In general, how are these super wealthy 1% perceived by the broader population? For example, do you envy them, or does it motivate you to somewhere where they are, or does it not bother you at all?
I don't bother it. You don't really know that what person who was there, how he or she has reached over there. What is the behind of the story? You don't know it.
I'm happy with life, what I am. I don't expect much. What I'm happy with that. Just be happy, whatever you're holding on. You might be holding much more than me, or you might be holding less than me, but you should be happy.
I do not envy people. I look up to them. I try to learn from their stories and see that what vision do they have in their mind for wealth.
I would say that taking inspiration from anyone is okay, but most of us really don't matter that much. So I think that majority of Indian population can take inspiration from the greats or the wealthy people. But we have to plan out our own journey, so our focus is on that.
And have you often seen rich people showing off their wealth or treating other people
Yeah, overseas.
badly?
I think yes. There are quite a couple of names, but I won't name them. But yes, there are. It's just because they can't, handle the money they have or can't handle the wealth they have, and they think they become the god, and they started dominating even the middle, rich, and the superior caste.
I did have a friend who was extremely rich, and his way of talking, he just always offering things, to which some
Maybe
people
he wanted to sleep with you.
found a little derogatory, but that was just his way of living. So I don't think they typically are bad.
ऑनेस्टली पता है मेरा एक्सपीरियंस जो एकदम ऊबर रिच लोगों के साथ है ना, ऐसे लोग जिनके नाम पे 100 करोड़ की प्रॉपर्टी है, बहुत ख़राब रहा है मेरा पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस, काफ़ी ख़राब रहा है। अब वो पता नहीं वो इसलिए क्योंकि मैं मिडिल क्लास इंसान हूँ या इसलिए कि आई एम मिस इंटरप्रेटिंग देम, बट काफ़ी ख़राब रहा है। आई वुडंट वांट टू सिट विद दोस काइंड ऑफ पीपल अनलेस आई हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ मनी मे बी।
Showing off their wealth is a thing that happens a lot. Like lavish weddings that nobody really needs, and calling celebrities on your functions as a status symbol. Now that's subjective.
भाई मुझे अभी सुनाई क्या दिया मैंने देखा सो आई नो अ लॉट ऑफ आर्टिस्ट राइट, जो सिंगर्स हैं, जो प्राइवेट इवेंट्स करते हैं, वो मैंने अभी मैंने पता करा रिसेंटली, एक आर्टिस्ट की ना गिग थी। वो गिग पता है क्या थी? आई एम नॉट इवन किडिंग, उसका पूरा बैंड है। सो देयर दिस एंटायर बैंड, दे यूजुअली परफॉर्म इन वेडिंग्स, मतलब 1-1.5 लाख रुपए देते होंगे, ऑर्केस्ट्रा है पूरा, सब परफॉर्म करते हैं, सेटअप लगता है पूरा फंक्शन। मैंने देखा भाई कि उनकी गिग थी, मतलब मैं ऐसे सिंगर्स को जानता हूँ जो उस बैंड में, तो उनकी गिग थी अभी, पता है क्या गिग थी? आई एम नॉट किडिंग, रायपुर में कोई फैमिली है, उनके प्राइवेट फंक्शन पे फैमिली है, उनका वीकली गैदरिंग होती है, उस वीकली फंक्शन में वो एक 1.5 लाख 2 लाख का बैंड उठा के लेके आई हैं कि हमारे लिए गाना गाओ 2 घंटे। एक फैमिली फंक्शन है वो। फैमिली फंक्शन पता है जैसे हमारे यहाँ नहीं होते, चाचा मम्मी ताई आ गए और आपको खीर बना दी किसी ने, ये फैमिली फंक्शन होता है ना। उनके फैमिली फंक्शन में वो बेंचो पार्टी कर रहे हैं, बुला के सिंगर्स को, पूरा बैंड बुक करा हुआ है, पता नहीं क्या होटल रिजॉर्ट बुक करा होगा, पता नहीं क्या, या फिर घर ही इतना हवेली होगा, पता नहीं क्या। ऐसे अमीरियत भी होती है, ऐसे शौक होते हैं लोगों के भाई, कि भाई कि गाने नहीं सुनने, टीवी पे गाने वाने कुछ नहीं बजाने, असली बैंड बुला के लेके आओ 1-2 लाख रुपए का। व्हाट द फक ब्रो, व्हाट द फक वाज दैट?
Obviously if someone wants to do it, they can, but it can be seen as showing off your wealth, because it's again like the purpose is to further your status into society.
The old rich will never disrespect any person, what I have seen. The new rich, they are flaunting their wealth. They think following a moral value.
ही इज़ राइट, ही इज़ ओल्ड मनी वाली बात तो एकदम सही है भाई। असली जो अमीर अमीर होते हैं ना, बचपन से अमीर भाई, दे डोंट शो ऑफ। वो नए जिनको अभी अभी पैसे का टेस्ट चलता है, दे डू। बिगड़ाए लोग दे डू।
Uses a sort of a backward sign of backwardness, which I don't think is right.
Have you faced any of this in real life where you have seen like a rich person flaunting or treating somebody bad?
Definitely. Some of my new rich friends, they treat the waiters very badly in the restaurant, and I don't like
यार
that.
अंकल ने दिल जीत लिया यार, मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है भाई। वो नहीं होता अमीर लोग, वह जो होटल मतलब किसी रेस्टोरेंट में जाते हैं और सब कुछ एकदम ख़राब कर देते हैं। मतलब मैं एक बंदे को जानता था, उसकी ना पर्सनल नेटवर्थ करोड़ में थी। हाँ, वो भी मेरी 21-20 साल का था उस वक्त, उसकी पर्सनल नेटवर्थ करोड़ में थी। क्यों? क्योंकि उसके माँ बाप ने उसे पैसे दिए थे। भाई वो बंदा पता क्या, इतना चूतिया बंदा था। और शुगर नहीं होती, पाउडर्ड शुगर, वो जो आपको देते हैं साशे में, उसको फाड़ता था और उसको टेबल पर फहरा देता था। उसके इतनी एम्पैथी नहीं है उसके कि भाई ज़रूर वो वेटर, उनका काम है टेबल साफ़ करना, लेकिन टेबल गंदी क्यों करना जानबूझ के? भाई छोड़ दे, तेरे को शक्कर, वो चक्कर खाता भी नहीं, चक्कर खाता भी नहीं वो, जानबूझ के बस फैला के। आई एम नॉट इवन मेकिंग दिस अप, आई कैन मेक लाइक, आई कैन ब्रिंग 10 पीपल एंड दे विल टेल यू द सेम स्टोरी। दिस इज़ रियल, देयर इज़ अ वीडियो ऑफ हिम डूइंग दैट। वो पाउडर शुगर खोलता है और ऐसे फैला, जैसे कोकेन की लाइन नहीं होती वैसे ड्रॉ कर देता है, छोड़ देता है ऐसे मजाक मजाक में। 1-2 बार नहीं, बहुत बार। मतलब इट्स लाइक ब्रो, देयर आर ये स्टोरी बताई थी, हाँ तो अच्छी बातें बताई थी, तो ये सच है। क्योंकि
That person is also earning a honest living, and he should be respected for his work. Any day given, I would not like my son to be a rich person. I would like him to be a generous person and a compassionate person.
I think
भाई
a
ये पता है
person-
वही बाप लग रहे हैं मेरे को, जो वो नहीं होते जिनके पास करोड़ों होते हैं और बच्चे को बोलते हैं कि भाई मैंने दे रहा 500 रुपये, 500 रुपये में कुछ नहीं होता, जा बस से जा। ये वैसे ही पापा लग रहा है मेरे को।
who is self-made millionaire or billionaire, I have not seen a single of them who is not humble, who likes to show up, because they don't have to show up. If I am not rich, then I have to show my car, I have to show my wallets, I have to show this. But rich person say, just search me on Google, you will get to know how much net worth I am. Yeah, they hide their wealth because of taxes. Because if they expose their wealth and how much they earn, so they have to pay more taxes. That is why the term is called black money in India. Rich people like to hide their wealth.
About Indian society that allows for this?
Income inequality, we have a large span of population. So per capita GDP is much lower, and the resources we have is limited. In US, if you consider, there are short span of population and there are large amount of resources and their money they are making. So that's why it is happening. I think it is because of population.
There is a high educational disparity as well. Lack of opportunity clearly is one of the stances when people.
Population is the right answer. बाकी सारी चीज़ें उसके सबसेट है।
Look at that, then you will see that a lot of people from the lower castes cannot reach this status of a millionaire or a billionaire because of the lives they have led and because of the conditions they live in. They don't have access to a good education, they don't have access to good healthcare, they don't have access to good loans they don't have a good credit score. Most of them don't even know what a credit score is. So in the financial world of the modern time, I don't think a person without privilege can make it on top.
Like I have seen people who have got benefit of caste system, they have become IAS, doctors, professors and all. And their kids are getting the prime sort of jobs and sort of reservation benefits. And not
दोनों एकदम स्टार्कलिंग डिफरेंट पर्सपेक्टिव्स। एक कह रहा है कि जो लोअर कास्ट है उनको बहुत हार्ड होता है ऊपर जाने के लिए, दूसरा कह रहा है कि मैंने ऐसे बहुत लोग देखा है जो रिजर्वेशन सिस्टम का अब्यूज करके अमीर बन गए। इट्स फनी,
the
बैक टू बैक।
poor or the deprived in the
That's funny.
this
That's
lower
funny.
caste people. That is the main problem.
So obviously the issue of growing wealth inequality is a global issue, and one could argue that certain inequalities in capitalism cannot be avoided. So but who do you think can at least help reduce the gap? Is it the government or the rich people themselves?
Not the rich people. The government maybe a little bit, but the rich people would never put themselves in a position where they're giving up their power. And we
Can be started with a lot of government initiative into bettering the lives of people who do not have access to such necessities. I would say like the internet, medicines, education, things like that. If the government can provide unrestricted access to everyone with these things, then I'm sure that there will be a slight tick up in the balance of equality of income. But even then it's going to take a long time, because capitalism is a system that is flawed and has a chance of creating massive income inequalities.
At the end, we need to ensure that it is equitably distributed and not just a capitalistic and a company-wise gain only. Governments have to ensure that our institutions are strong, the regulations are being implied, all the labor laws that are actually have been laid out are in place and have functioning properly.
I think that more and more
Very interesting answer. He went straight to labor laws. Damn, that's a G answer. बहुत शानदार. Good answer. Very good answer.
education on the financial
Good implementation of labor laws is a good answer. Very good answer.
front should be provided. Just about and I together, we
Very good answer, bhai. Very good answer. I'm surprised. Yeah.